Alright, so viewers, here we have this 36-inch TAT. There's our label. I'm guessing there's our model number. And besides that, that's all I have about this fan. I do find this fan I'm using because the upper canopy is wider than the actual motor, just by a bit. So I find that kind of amusing about that. Here, let's start this fan off on low. And I believe this one has aluminum blades. It gets up to speed pretty fast, and the blades are fairly light. I took them off and put them back on. So there's low speed, medium low, medium high, and high speed. As you can tell, it moves fairly good air, and it's runs silent. Neat little fan. I guess my first TAT I owned. Not too crazy about this one. I prefer to get a bigger TAT, but for what this one is, it moves some good air. Let's go ahead and do spin down. Pick this one up from the same habitat I picked up the Crompton Greaves. This model is light adaptable. The wires already go to the center nut. So if you want to put a light out on this fan for whatever reason, you could. I think this one's so very efficient because the pitch on the blades has a pretty steep pitch, if you can see that. So I think that's why it's so efficient, especially towards the center under the fan. And there you go. Thanks for watching.